Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying how your library syncs. Make sure iCloud Photos is set the way you need it. Next, open Photos and go straight to the specific album that contains the image you want to keep. Select the photo or multiple photos now. Don't go to Recents yet. By beginning inside the album, you'll avoid deleting the only copy. Once selected, prepare to move the image out of Recents without losing it from the album. Now perform the key action. Tap Share and choose Duplicate to make a new library copy. This ensures an independent file that won't vanish when you remove the original. If the duplicate isn't already in the album, add it with Add to Album so the album retains a copy. Once the duplicate is confirmed inside that album, you can safely delete the original from Recents. This sequence preserves the album version while clearing Recents. Finish by deleting the original image from Recents. Confirm the duplicate still appears in your album. If you use iCloud Photos, make sure the duplicate has synced to iCloud before deleting the original, otherwise the removal may propagate. If something goes wrong, immediately check Recently Deleted and restore the file within 30 days. Make sure to empty cache or restart Photos if changes don't appear. That troubleshooting step will recover.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.